Hi Ma, happy birthday. Wish to the Lord you have many birthdays to come. Gusto namin maging masaya kayo sa birthday nyo, kaya meron kaming surprise para sa inyo pa birthday. Talang po na lalong sasaya ang puso nyo dito sa aming munting pakulo. Again, Ma, happy birthday, and wish you good health, at sana ay pahabayan pa ni Lord ang pag-stay nyo sa amin.
Hi, Mommy! Wish you happy birthday on your day. Just got home from work. Buti, nandito si Mel. We wish you all the health and may you have many more to come. Project ni Mel and Dang to. Wish ko magsama-sama ulit tayo rito. Just enjoy your stay there. Hi to everybody there. And hi to Ate and Elizabeth and everybody. Again, happy birthday. Bye-bye.